Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Oyin Consoler. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to achieve this simple, beautiful and very easy protective style on your natural hair. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I use As I Am double butter cream. I'm going to rub that into my hair to make it soft. Then I go in with my Kimia hair butter just to seal the moisture in. So after moisturizing, we're going to section out the part you want to leave out for your bangs, and this can be done to your preference. You can make it as much as you want or as little as you want, depending on how you want your bangs to look. So to get the bangs, we're going to divide the section we left out for the bangs into smaller sections in order to be able to twist the smaller sections. So this can be done to your preference. You can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. So to get the knotted ends, you're going to take your twist and measure where you want your bangs to stop. Then you take the hair and you wrap it around itself just at the tip, making it like a little Bantu knot just at the tip. So after you've completed the twists, you want to make sure that your bangs are even and they look symmetrical and the knots are not too big, so it looks nice and even. To style the remaining part of the hair, this can be done to your preference. However high or low you want your bun to be, you can do it. For me, I wanted a high bun, like a really top knot, so I just basically packed my hair immediately after the bangs. So to make my bun full and big, I got this fox bun which I made. There's a tutorial on my channel. It's very simple and easy and quick to make, so if you like, you can check it out too. So I just attached this bun to my hair. I like the pop of color it gives my hair. So then I pin it at the back. So this is how the hair looks. So I'm not okay with it like this. I want to accessorize. I'm using these gold hair clips. I think that's what they're called, gold hair pins or clips. I'm just putting at the tip of the bangs, just to give it give it a pop of funkiness to the bangs. Make it look funky and nice. Also, my bun, I wasn't okay with how the bun was looking, so I twisted it to give it a more realistic kind of look and a more sexy, like a sexy top-notch bun. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just twisting it and I'm going to wrap it around my actual hair to give it a nice look. So you want to make sure your bun is secure and is stable and tight on your head, so it doesn't like fall off. You just pin it in place to make it more secured. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you all like it, and I hope you give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. This makeup is also available on my channel, so check it out too. Bye.